Hello student, let's start to learn Standard Ninth Subject Science and Technology Part 1 Medium English and Semi-English Unit number 2 Work and Energy. Today's my first point is potential energy. Second point, try this. Third point, expression for potential energy. Fourth point, potential energy is relative. Last point is example. Thank you. Potential energy. Try this. Three examples are given in try this. First one, an arrow is released from the stretch bow. Which words describe the state of the object in the above example? Answer of this question, the word stretched. See in this picture, when girl stretch bow and release the arrow, then arrow goes fastly forward direction. Second question, where did the energy required to cause the motion of the object come from? Answer of this question, the energy required to cause the motion came from the energy stored in the system, that is potential energy of the system. Second example, water kept at height flows through a pipe into the tap below. The word kept at height shows the state of the water. See in this picture, water is kept at height in water tank. Due to this state of the water flows down through a pipe into the tap. Third example, a compressed spring is released. The word compress shows the state of the object. See in this picture, compressed spring possesses potential energy. When it releases, this energy converts into kinetic energy and springs start to take oscillation. In the above three examples, which words are describe the state of the object? Answer of this question, stretch, kept at height and compress. Second question, where did the energy required to cause the motion of the object come from? Answer of this question, the energy required to cause the motion came from the energy stored in the system, that is potential energy of the system. Definition of the potential energy, the energy stored in object because of its specific state or position is called its potential energy. Now let's learn some activities. Number 1, hold a chalk at a height of 5 centimeter from the floor and release it. Answer of this activity, its speed is very less as it falls to the ground. Now stand up straight and then release the chalk. Answer of these activities, relative to first activities, its speed is much and more as it falls to the ground. Third, is there a difference in the result of the two activities? If so, why? Answer of this question, the difference is due to the initial potential energy of the chalk. The greater of the initial potential energy, the greater is the final kinetic energy. Expression for potential energy, to carry an object of mass m to height h above the earth's surface, a force equal to mgh has to be used against the direction of the gravitational force. The amount of work done can be calculated as follows. Work is equal to force into displacement. So W is equal to mg into h. So W is equal to mgh. The amount of potential energy stored in the object because of displacement, potential energy is equal to P is equal to mgh. So W is equal to P. Displacement to height h causes the energy equal to mgh to be stored in the object. Potential energy is relative. Ajay and Atul have been asked to determine the potential energy of the ball of mass m kept on the table as shown in the figure. What answer will they get? Will they be different? What do you conclude from this answer of this question? Potential energy of the body with respect to Ajay mgh1 and potential energy of the body with respect to Atul mgh2. M is equal to mass of the ball. Potential energy is relative. Therefore, it depends on the value of the h1 and h2. Hence, it will be the different in two cases. The height of the ball with respect to Ajay and with respect to Atul are different. So, the potential energy with respect to them will be different. Example, 500 kilogram water is stored in the overhead tank of 10-meter high building. Calculate the amount of potential energy stored in the water. Given of this example, height 10 meter, mass 500 kilogram, g 9.8 meter per second square. Potential energy is equal to mgh. This is the formula of the potential energy. Put the value of the mg and h in this formula. So potential energy is equal to 10 into 9.8 into 500. So potential energy is equal to 49,000 joule. So amount of potential energy is stored in the water 49,000 joule.